Welcome to this training video on filtering jobs in automation analytics and intelligence, AAI. In this video, we will explore how to use AAI's filtering tools to narrow down job lists using standard filters and the AI Filter Assistant. By the end of this video, you will be able to use standard filtering to filter jobs by status, scheduler, machine, and other listed attributes. You will learn how to combine multiple filter conditions for precise results, modify or remove applied filters, and use natural language queries to filter jobs with the AI Filter Assistant. Let's get started. AAI provides several ways to filter jobs, including standard attribute-based filters, advanced filtering, and AI-assisted filtering. Above the jobs list, you'll see the filter menu and the advanced search button. Clicking the filter menu opens a list of job attributes such as job name, job type, machine, scheduler, and more. These attributes correspond to the main columns in your table. You will also see the AI Filter Assistant listed here. We will explore this feature later in this video. To begin filtering, select an attribute and then define the condition and value you want to apply. Each filter criteria acts as a cumulative condition. For example, if you want to see a list of all box jobs that failed, you will start by selecting the job type attribute. In the Filter Conditions pane, you will define the logic, such as equals for the exact matches, not equals to exclude values, or contains to match partial text, and so on. Since we're filtering for box jobs, we'll select equals and then enter box as the value. This applies the filter and returns a list of all box jobs. You can see the applied filter listed in the filter bar above the jobs list. To narrow the results further and include only failed box jobs, you'll add another filter by clicking the filter menu again. You'll notice that the attribute you've already used, job type, is now grayed out. From the list of available attributes, select status. In the filter condition pane, choose equals and then enter failure as the value. Keep in mind that each scheduler type has its own naming conventions for job statuses, so the exact term may vary depending on your environment. You now have a filtered list showing all failed box jobs. Both applied filters are visible as chips in the filter bar above the job list. You can modify any filter by clicking directly on its chip. For example, if you want to view all running box jobs instead, simply click the status filter chip and change the value to running. This updates the results instantly. To remove a filter, just click the X on the chips to clear them from the filter bar. Let's now explore how you can use the AI Filter Assistant feature to describe what you're looking for in natural language. When the AI Filter Assistant is enabled on your installation, you see it as the first item in the filter menu. This feature is especially useful when you want to see the results for multiple criteria without you having to manually configure them one by one. For example, you could type, "Show me all atomic jobs that ended manually canceled." The AI Filter Assistant will automatically generate a set of cumulative filters and return the matching list of jobs. And just like with standard filters, you can click on any applied filter chip to modify its values, or remove a filter by clicking the X. With that, we conclude this video on filtering jobs using standard filters and the AI Filter Assistant. Let's do a quick recap of what we learned from this video. In this video on filtering jobs in AAI, we learned that AAI provides multiple ways to filter jobs, from standard filters to advanced options and the AI Filter Assistant. We learned how to apply standard filters based on listed job attributes like status, scheduler, machine, and other execution data. We also learned how to combine filter criteria and modify or clear existing filters directly from the filter bar. And finally, we explored how the AI filter assistant translates natural language queries into actionable filters. That brings us to the end of the overview on using standard filters and the AI filter assistant to filter jobs in AAI. In the next video, we will explore how to work with advanced job filters. Thank you.